All right, now in this problem, they want you to find the critical voters. So in order to find critical voters, you need to know the winning coalitions. Well, weren't they nice? They already told me all the winning coalitions are these guys here. Woo-hoo. And they want to know who is or are critical in the votes. So back up here at the top, remember that the first one is A, the second one is B, this one's C, and this one's D. So, okay, CD, that's this one. A, C, D is that one. B, C, D is that one. And A, B, C, D. Okay, so C and D, that is 7 plus 10, which is 17, which obviously, remember you have to have 17 or more votes, so I can see that. They have to vote together. If one of them decides to leave, it's not going to be a winning coalition anymore. So the critical voters for these two are C and D. They're both critical. Now for the next one, A, C, and D, here's A and C and D. That adds up to, that's 2 plus 7 plus 10, which is 19. And they told me that that was one of the winning coalitions, and it is. So when I'm looking at this, if A steps away, if A says, no, I'm not voting with you, C and D, C and D will still have 17 votes. So A is not critical. But if C walked away and left A and D behind, C comes out, 2 plus 10 only adds up to 12. So C is critical there. And if D said, no, I'm not voting with you, A and C, and D takes his 10 votes and walks away, 2 plus 7 is only 9. And now it's no longer winning, so that makes D also critical. See how that works? And then, of course, we'll go to BCD. BCD is 4 and 7 and 10. 4 plus 7 plus 10, which adds up to 21. Obviously, that's a winning coalition. But if, once again, if B says, I'm out of here, 7 and 10 still adds up to 17. So that means B is not critical. B can walk away. We don't need you. We're still good. But if C walks away, and leaves B and D behind, 4 and 10 only adds up to 14. So C is definitely critical here. And the same thing with D. Come on. If you take D away, if D says, nope, I'm out of here, and leaves B and C behind, 4 and 7, that only adds up to 11. So D is critical there as well. And I could make the same argument for A, B, C, and D, because 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 is 23. Yeah, 23. So if A walks away, 4 and 7 and 10 still adds up to more than 17, so A is not critical. If B walks away, you still have 2 and 10, 2 and 7 and 10, which adds up to more than 17. So B is not critical. If I take C away, 2 and 4 is 10, 2 and 4 is 6, and 6 and 10 is only 16. So C is critical, because if C leaves, they don't win anymore. And same thing with D. If D leaves, 2 plus 4 plus 7 is only 13. So D is also critical. So in all of these coalitions, it's C and D. So it's that one right there. Phew. All right. Lots of thinking on this.